Hello, everybody. How we doing? How we doing? My name is Quantic Flux, and today we're going to be checking out the demo for a game called Net.Attack. It is a horde survival roguelite, but the interesting thing that sets it apart is that it's using like a hacker, sorry, not hacker, a programming, I guess it is kind of hacker, but it's using a programming style node system to generate your abilities. So it kind of reminds me of While True Learn in the way that they use nodes to create new abilities. And it seems really interesting. So without further ado, why don't we head on in and check it out? Hey, you there. Would you like to learn the basics or skip straight into the action? Let's learn the basics since I do not know what I'm doing. All right, rookie. Seems like you have no clue how to handle this. I will help you. No contradiction. Move with WASD. This is definitely, my mic is directly in the way of this, which is a bummer. Okay. What am I? Am I a cat? I'm a cat. I like this game much more immediately. All right, hotshot. Let's see if you got what it takes. Step onto these chips to pull the data. Pull the data. Just 2 for now. Prove you can handle it before you get too greedy. Okay. I'm gonna dance a little bit on the chips. Okay, we destroyed it. Is that good? Is that what we want? Seems like maybe yes. Thumbs up. What happens if I get greedy and I go for 3? Looks like someone else needs my advice. Give me a moment. Try not to die, yeah? Okay. What is this doing for me? Hello, sir. I am hacking into your mainframe. Don't mind me. I am noticing some screen tearing. Check the settings in just a moment. Layer 1 out of 5. Just in time to fight back. Hit E to open the coding editor. Show me what you got. Okay. Name. Node name with parameter for damage and distance. Split ping, 30 damage, 8 NM. Nanometers? I have no idea what that means. Outport. Can be connected with an import of other nodes. Okay. So you got like logic statements. And have conditions to trigger the next connected node. Duration. Duration of the node to be completed and the following code is executed. Okay. Import is connected with an outport. Is executed if condition of the connected outport is met and the previous node is completed. Okay. So, offers new nodes to buy and expand your code. New nodes require your collected data. Click on the node to buy. Change the offered nodes. Okay. Where's my money? Top right. The price for re-rolling will increase with each activation. Forever, or does it reset? Leave your code and return to the game. I want to see what this is, though. Okay, so it reset. Okay, so on tick, scan for data chip. Okay. So every 0.6 seconds, we're going to scan for a data chip. That's probably what's... What is the direction to the nearest data chip for 5 seconds? Okay. Good to know. We need something to defend ourselves. Okay, we got a lot more money now. All right, spawn projectile, 10 damage, 8 nanometers, perhaps. Okay. Damage in line. Spawn circle projectile. Circles around the executor. Okay. Interesting. Damage in line has no out node. So it's kind of like a dead end. And this has 2 on hits. Split ping. 30 damage, 8 nanometers. It's a lot more damage. Single laser that targets the nearest enemy within range and deals damage to it. Executes following 2 nodes in parallel using the hit enemy as the new executor. Interesting. How is this not just much better than this one? I guess is my question. Each enemy it hits. So, okay, so I think this only hits 1 enemy. So I guess I'm more interested in this one. We don't have any trigger, unfortunately, and we can't afford one. we're going to have to ditch this. Don't know how to... Oh, there we go. We're going to have to do this. And I guess realistically we can do this as well, right? So now we shoot a projectile, and when it hits, it searches for the next data chip. It's kind of funny. Okay. Nice work for a newbie, but don't forget data's the goal here. Get back to gathering. Okay. Wow, we're cooking. Well, look at you. Data in hand, ready to roll. You can head out now, but hey, no one's forcing you to stick around if you're feeling bold. Okay. I feel like I want to get EXP. Unless that's data, maybe. Oh, it wants me to escape through the exit. Okay. Does gathering more stuff do anything for me? I do find it very funny that we're using them to find the next data nodes. Like we can't see where the next one is until we're hitting someone. Pretty funny. Okay. Oh, there's apparently more of these down here. Seems like it's probably the last one. I don't know for sure since I'm not shooting my enemies. Yeah, that was the last one. Okay, let's get the heck out of here. I do want to murder you real quick. Give me that. Ooh, okay. Data upload speed. Increases data extraction speed on chips. Okay. Player health. Who cares? Live a little. I do like that it's a heart, though. Increase the damage of your nodes by 20%. Okay, our nodes are just anything we do, really. Like, right? Infection damage is excluded. Important to note. Okay. We've escaped. We hacked into the mainframe successfully. Nymera. Between sand and palm trees, charming cities with a vibrant, inspiring atmosphere rise, where society values creativity and freedom to foster the potential of each individual. That sounds like a nice place to live. Security level password. Face only a few weak guards and take your first steps into getting hold of secret data. No reason. Feeling nervous. Okay. I mean, hello world. We do love hello world. It is interesting that hello world is not the first level of difficulty, since hello world is like the first program you make as soon as you're getting into coding. Okay, seems like that was too easy for you. Highly developed guardian program. I mean, I feel like I wanna at least do hello world. That is definitely a cat, and I'm into it. I love it. Nobody masters ping nodes like Zeusel. When security forces outnumber him, he turns the tide with devastating damage in range. Interesting. So I guess these characters have different stuff that they're good at. Hi, Zeusel. Track data from chips. 600. Whoa. Calm down, dude. I don't think there's anywhere near 600. Oh, okay. We got 50 bucks. Gotcha. It's not 600 chips. It's whatever amount of data we get from the chips. I forgot to turn off, crap. I can't see VSync. I feel like I turned it on already, to be honest. Hopefully the screen tearing is not showing up in the video. I have a feeling it probably is. Okay. I mean, we seem to be cooking them. This laser thing's pretty good. We got 950 cash money. I think the cheapest thing before was like 975. So we technically could take a look. Data upload speed increases the value of Bytecoins by 20%. XP value 10%. Okay. So apparently the stuff we're picking up from enemies that we're murdering is called Bytecoins. Funny. Okay. Oh, new enemy just dropped. I really would like to get the data that I'm supposed to be getting, but on the other hand, I very much would like to get this stuff from people that we're killing. Reducing the cost of nodes seems like a good way to make it seem like it was an intelligent decision to not open the shop until now. Oh, these are much cheaper. Okay. So we have 4 out nodes. It's quite generous. See what we got. Sequence. Executes the following nodes one after the other. I mean, essentially that turns it into a doubler. So like you could use this and instead of getting 4, you could get 5. On tick, another on tick seems like a smart idea. Circular electric shockwave with specified radius. It is a dead end. This is what we saw earlier, I think. Let's grab an on tick. We don't need it yet, but it's probably smart to have. Okay, that re-rolled everything. Wow, this splits into 4. Interesting. 2.5 nanometers. Okay. Scan for data chips. Probably nice to have at some point, but let's get some damage. And honestly, this is just a better version of that, so we should just do this for now. We don't have a strong reason to use these on hits yet. I think we just... Wait, well, hold on. I see. It increases the amount of time when you have multiples. Good to know. All right. What's overclock do? Overclocks a target for 3 seconds. Damage dealt to overclock units is double. Additionally, each node executed by an overclocked executor deals double damage. Each node executed by an overclocked executor deals double damage. Okay, except you don't have an out, right? So you can't be an executor, unless I'm misunderstanding here, which is very possible. I think that this is probably worth buying anyways. So we'll overclock on hit of the split ping. On tick, but it's much faster. Pretty good. I think I'm good. We should be going absolutely bananas now. Now leave the level. Do I want to? What happens if code your virus? What just happened? Oh, I accidentally pressed the C button. C apparently does the same as E. Whoops. Okay. More XP. I'm not entirely sure if there is a benefit to getting more data. It gives us more money, which I assume probably carries over, but I'm not 100% positive. We'll say the amount of enemies that we're encountering, very low at the moment. I'm sure it ramps up the higher difficulty you go. Oh, there's a firewall active? Okay, it's actively telling me to get the hell out of here. Good to know. I think I might have gotten all the data. Where's the exit, though? Oh, I've got an arrow pointing to it. Okay. Increase the damage of your ping nodes. I think we only have ping nodes currently. Also, the music got very loud. 20% damage seems a lot more valuable than 5% move speed. Oh boy, okay. You guys are starting to come out in large numbers. Hard to want to leave. Oh, okay. There's like a it's like a battle royale thing going on here. Fair enough. Okay, pick your premium node. 4. Ooh, a 4 loop. Interesting. Spawns a projectile? spawns a projectile that targets the nearest enemy, dealing damage to each enemy it hits, and executes the following nodes with each killed enemy as a new executor. Interesting. Kind of like the idea of a for loop, though. I mean, spawn projectile and spawn mine both seem very good. But for loop would make like one of our attacks execute much more frequently. So let's grab that. Let's do a for loop. Going to do a split ping. And now suddenly overclock makes sense. Because we're doing 3 rapid hits. Another on tick. Who needs it? And for data chip could be useful. Damage in range. Oh, we saw this earlier. Okay, I don't really like dead ends, but I think scanning for the data chip is probably a smart idea. Let's connect it to our damagey thing that we care less about. Also, can I like... Yeah, okay. Awesome. Exactly what I was looking for. Yeah, I want to be able to see the name. It's going to get me in trouble because I want this to look nice. It's probably going to drive you guys crazy. Okay, what do we got? More overclock, who cares? This just kind of splits into 2, unless I'm misunderstanding how that is useful to me. Ping overclock. Single laser that targets the nearest overclocked enemies within range and deals damage to it. Okay. That's probably useful. We could make a laser spawn from the split ping. I think. So now we have like a 3-round burst that bursts into more bursts. Yeah, okay, this is pretty sick. Ooh, I want the XP. I don't know if it despawns. Give me. Okay, the new problem is that we're killing things far too fast. More damage. 10%. What? Is it adding up the ones we've taken before, maybe? Probably. Let's do some speed, I think. We've not gotten even close to getting hit at any point so far, so I'm hesitant to waste my time on health. I would love a freaking magnet, dude. We're killing so far away now. I've become too efficient at slaughtering the enemies, and now I can't get the XP. Data upload speed, who cares? Give me more speed. Okay. I wonder... I probably read it earlier, but didn't absorb the information. Is the pinging data node thing... Does it always show the nearest one? No, it definitely does not. So it's kind of like showing you random ones. Which is interesting. And not the way I would like it to work. Now exit the level. I'd rather not. Oh, man. I'm missing out on so much EXP, dude. I got too good at killing too fast. I'm curious how the firewall gets activated. Is it once you take all of the data? Because, I mean, if you really wanted to, I feel like if it's not just a timed thing, then couldn't you just, like, sit with one data... Oh, okay, you explode. Okay, you did a lot of damage to me, I think. I'm pretty sure that's my health in the top left. I'm gonna do that now. See if that affects my health up there. Didn't seem to change the bar size at all, so maybe that's not my health. I feel like it is my health, though. It's got a heart. Like, Truly, it's my health. Maybe the bar always stays the same size, but like numbers inside. Oh, okay, okay. I see the. So it is time based. Okay, so my concern about saving one node and then murdering a bunch of stuff is unfounded. They've thought of it. Node cost reduction seems like a good idea. Take that. Some of these Bytecoins definitely look different. Are you an elite? What are you? You're an explodey boy, I think. Not. No, you weren't. I guess I don't remember what the explodey boys look like. All right, guys, you're gonna have to stop. I need to leave, and you keep dropping EXP. Okay, what do we got? Spawn spiral projectile. Spawn a projectile that spirals around the executor, dealing damage to each enemy it hits, and executes the following nodes when an enemy is killed. Okay. Creates a circular zone with the displayed radius, forcing all enemies inside to execute the following nodes. On extracting chip data, do something. I'm struggling to see a good use for that at the moment. Because, like, you're going to want the ping to happen more often than that. For each unit in range. I mean, we could ping... overclock, right? And that way, we don't have to rely on them getting hit by the laser first before shooting off more lasers. Could be useful. I don't really want any of these, so I'm going to take the on tick, I guess. So on tick, force for each unit in range, you overclock. Hopefully this works the way I think it does. And then this will... I mean, it made it so this goes faster, which is good. But it'll do a 3-shot burst, and then on every hit, it will shoot out more lasers to something that's overclocked, which should be semi-frequent. That's actually kind of a short range now that I see it. Single laser that targets the strongest, highest remaining health enemy within range and deals damage to it. Okay. Also just overclock more. What is the target, though? Like, if I bought overclock and put it on tick, how does it decide what to overclock? Does it overclock me? It might. I don't know. Damage in range. Pretty small range. Spawns a circular pull wave around the executor, pulling all enemies within its range toward the executor. That's pretty interesting. We could use that to bunch them up to overclock them better. Okay. I am running out of space. How do I... Okay. I can't move left and right on this, unfortunately. Don't like that they made the line do that. I want this to line up, though, because it's going to drive me crazy. Let's do that. Okay, what else we got? Push. Another on tick. Ping near. Damage in range. Um, this Pingneer has a lot less damage than this one, but it could be just because we didn't buy it yet. No, it just has a lot less damage. Okay, that's fair. It does have an on-hit effect, though, which is kind of nice. Oh, okay. Would like to be able to see what they say. Okay, wonderful. Unhit pull. Certainly could. Being weak. Are they the lowest health? Yeah. Okay. I kind of like the idea of shooting a laser that pulls enemies in, and then we kind of like pull them in more, which overclocks them, and then we blast the crap out of them. Let's try that. Hope that you guys are enjoying me using a large amount of time to plan these out, because that is a lot of the fun of this game for me personally. It's interesting to see the way that you can program things. I don't know which guys are bomb guys. Some of these guys are red, and that makes me think they're bomb guys, but they're not. For each in-range radius increased by 2.5%. I mean, if you show me the EXP value, I'm probably going to take it, though. What is... So, okay. I think the thing that's pinging around me is that for each unit in that range, I guess it makes sense to use me as a target. That's not exactly how I initially thought it was going to work, but that's fine. What is that noise? Did I take damage? Oh, okay. My plan to pull enemies next to me is not a smart plan. I'm going to change that in just a moment. Yeah, this is bad. Unless this is doing it. Hold on. No, it's still doing it. So it is this. Is it both? It could be both. It could also be neither. Okay, yeah. I don't think pulling them into me is a good idea. Need the overclock, though. So let's disconnect this for now. Put this back over here. Let's think about how... Because I would like them, but I do not want the things being pulled into me, because it's causing me to take a large amount of damage. None of these have outs, so we're going to reroll. Ping not overclocked. Or each overclocked in range. Not overclocked. It's not great, but we can use this to let this happen. Okay, do that. Okay, so we can use this to say when we hit something that's not overclocked, do an AoE and overclock. And I guess we could, just for fun, whenever we do this, pull everyone towards wherever they just got hit from. We'll take a look at what this looks like. Okay, this is definitely better than pulling them towards me, that's for sure. Okay, you guys explode. You look like a mine, so you probably explode. Okay, let's go get more data. It's so hard to walk away from all this EXP, though. We're getting very efficient at killing, again. AoE radius sounds great. Although I guess I do run the risk of making it so big that they get pulled into me again, which is not good. How do you heal, by the way? I don't know that we've encountered healing yet. Also, can't help but notice you guys are shooting. Maybe that's part of what got me hit earlier, too. Very possible. All right, cat hacker. What are we doing here? Okay. Music definitely changes. Whoops, I accidentally hit C again. Okay, that's a lot of Explodomancers. I think when the bar turns fully green, that means we've gotten everything there is to get. It's hard to pass up EXP. Okay, stop pulling the bomb the bomb boys next to me. Okay, we get 30 seconds to farm. Is that health? I think that was health. I wouldn't mind a push if we see another one. A lot of enemies. Okay. I'm gonna try and grab this and then leave. Yeah, that thing is rapidly approaching. Get me out of here. Damage in line, right? Spawn a fire beam in one direction and inflicts damage to each enemy hit. Huh. For each byte coin in range? That's interesting. We can say on tick for each byte coin in range. Have them fire lasers? Strange. Fire. Spawn a fire beam in one direction and inflicts damage to each enemy hit. This can be used. Okay. I was going to say this could be used from a lot of different things, but it looks like we don't actually have as many as I thought that can trigger this. However, that being said, we can still do it a bunch. This is going to be going off like a lot. You can even like save this one. And then do this. It does increase it a lot, but it'd be okay. Let's see what this looks like. And also, I should probably buy something new. I don't know. I kind of want things without things. Regular shockwave. It is AoE damage, but like it's kind of happy. It's not a very good amount of AoE damage. An overclock, I suppose. Problem is if we overclock too much, we're not gonna shoot that one. Okay, this doesn't. This right thing doesn't work exactly the way I thought it was going to work. It is funny though. We probably want that to spawn off of something that's not that's not us. Wouldn't be a bad idea to get like a Bytecoin thing that spawns this. It makes like an impassable area since it's going off so many times. But I guess to be fair, the only reason it's going off so many times is because we have 3 things that are triggering it. Okay. Guys, can you approach me from the right side? That's kind of where my my strength lies. Okay, stop. You guys are in fact surrounding me, and I am pulling you guys into myself, which is horrible. Oh my god. Our code a little jank. Okay, we're gonna die. We're gonna die so bad. Yeah, we died. Okay, let's try again. I think we should still go on this level. Oh, let's make something less janky. Maybe we don't stick around for so long. I say, as I know full well that I'm going to continue trying to get all these at least. All right, I gotta at least not try to collect all the EXP, right? Surely. Big boy. I haven't looked at how much value these give us, but I have to imagine that the bigger ones give more cash money than the smaller ones. They definitely take a lot longer to get, though, I noticed. Yeah, that was fast. And that also gave, like, nothing. Okay. Should probably buy some stuff. Let's see. Overclock. I do like the idea of overclocking. Big sequence. AoE right off the bat. Does not change the executor. That's probably useful. I'm going to grab this for now, though. Zoom out a little bit. Scan for data chip, I would love. We've got too many things connected to the same node. Gonna make everything we do much slower. I feel like it's fine for now. So stop pinging me the one I'm on. I'm aware that it's there. Thank you. Alright, guys, please. I'm trying to hack. Get out of my face. Just walked into that one. Okay, I think we got everything, so let's get the heck out of here. Just get our damage up. Seemed like we weren't killing fast enough last time. We got absolutely surrounded and obliterated. Maybe I needed more AoE. That could also be the case. On chip extracted, do 10 times. Interesting. I don't know what to do with that at the moment. Or each Bytecoin. Everywhere on the entire map? Takes 5 seconds, though, which is insane. You could probably do some weird stuff with an on-kill that goes into a sequence. I'm very curious about this each Bytecoin thing. It does 0 damage. Oh my god, that made this take so long. We simply cannot have that. So I guess maybe it must add the amount of time to the on-tick. We certainly need another on-tick, though, to run this guy. Yeah, it adds exactly that. Okay, so that takes forever. So this is doing nothing yet, but save up a bit of money, we can, like, make it so the chips are the ones shooting out lasers, which is probably a good idea. The only problem is that that does make it so I probably don't want to collect the EXP. Probably not an ideal situation to be in. Also, dude, stop. Don't ping the one I'm on, bro. Please. Oh boy. Okay. I'm getting a little scared. I don't think we have enough damage. Got excited to get the XP and I stepped off the thing. Let's see if we can get this this murder everything going. So this will exclusively hit the weakest enemy around. What if I do this? That increases this by 0.1. It's probably still worth. Okay, is this... I don't think that my thing is working. Yeah, I don't... Oh, no, okay, it just went off. Takes so damn long, though. Holy crap. I feel like it's pretty good, though. I just noticed that these have levels. They all go up to 10, it seems. We only have lasers right now, so I think increasing lasers is probably better than increasing all damage. The exit. Would like all these, though. Okay, there's one more. I feel like staying a lot longer was what made us semi-strong, though, because, like, I'm looking and we're level 4, about to go into the 3rd layer. Were we, like, level 11 last time? Feeling, like, real weak, if I'm being honest. Let me see what we got here. Another on-tick. Kinda useful. There's no point in connecting an overclock to an on-kill, because they're dead. Damage and range. Only adds 0.1. That's not too bad. It is a dead end, though. I don't really like the dead end ones. I'm sure they have their merit, but, like, it's more fun to make stuff happen. It does seem like the stuff you equip influences what you're shown in your upgrade screen, which I like. Also, I feel like I would rather have this do a circle-y AoE than a laser. You do something like that. I also haven't noticed if these disappear yet. Does it not, maybe it doesn't fire unless... Yeah, okay. So it must not fire unless there's enemies around. Alright, let's grab our EXP and get the heck out of here. So you're taking a very long time to kill, I can't help but notice. What is wrong with you? Dropped a large amount of EXP. I mean... You're not taking this at the beginning. What's the point of taking it? For loop. On player hit, do this 10 times. Pretty good. I don't like the right firing thing. I think a for loop for our thing that takes incredibly long time to go off is a smart plan. Okay. Problem is that a lot of our build relies on us not picking up our EXP. Okay. Also takes so damn long to go off. Take this. I do feel like we're starting to get swarmed. And I do not think using this is a smart plan. 0.75. Let's buy this and attach that. Put this up here. This makes it a little bit faster. Not much. 0.25 seconds, but faster is faster, you know? We don't want to overclock ourselves. We don't want to overclock on kill. Wouldn't be a bad idea to overclock on split, though. Split ping, I mean. I think that'll start showing overclock stuff if I'm understanding this this correctly. I feel like it wouldn't show it like a ping overclocked unless we had overclocked. We just get a status effect on that guy. My god, our things take forever to go off. I mean, there it goes. It's taking so damn long. 5 seconds is an eternity in this type of game. Jeez Louise. Okay. I think that our EXP stuff is like a fun bonus type of damage. I don't think it's a reliable source of save us from death damage. Oh my god, there's an Explodo-Man next to me, and I hate it. Stop. Ah! Oh god. Field enlarger, probably a good idea. Okay, stop. Please stop. Okay, I'm taking a lot of damage. I feel like just going based off of how many EXPs I see here, they must be killing things off screen, which is good. What we want. Ouch. Definitely have a lot more AoE damage than we had last time. I will say I'm taking a ton of damage, though. Stop. Stop. Okay, I hate it. Stop it. I'm trying to get the thing. Okay, it might be a good idea to grab some... Get these faster data extraction speed. Okay, I think this is the first time that we got to the firewall without having collected like nearly everything, which definitely makes me feel like our build is crappy. We're gonna, yeah, okay. Crap. Well, there you go. That's Net.Attack. I wish I had gotten farther. I'm so sorry about that. The game is neat, though. It's really cool. Will it teach you programming? Probably not. Is it interesting? Yeah. I guess it could kind of help teach you the logic behind programming. It's not going to actually teach you any sort of language, but I mean, they've got the for loops in there. They've got the do whiles from what I saw. So I guess if you're brand new to programming, it'll help teach you how things flow in basically any programming language. You've got the logic down. You can go ahead and learn whatever syntax you need for whatever programming language you're trying to learn. But this will help you teach you the basic flow of programming, I guess, which is fun. And yeah, it's very interesting. I like kind of the wacky stuff you can do. Like the shooting off of the EXP crystals is nuts. I wish it didn't take 5 full damn seconds, but I do like the idea of treating them like landmines almost. That was kind of like a fun thing that you could do that I've not seen in other games. So yeah, very cool game. I encourage you to check it out. I will put a link in the description below to the demo so you can do just that. Let me know what you think. And also wishlist the game if you're interested, because it does help out devs a lot. If you'd like to help me out a lot, I would appreciate it greatly if you left a comment and or a like, maybe shared the video with your friends that you think might be interested. Anything to help drive engagement to the channel would be very much appreciated. And if you'd like to see more from me, my name is Quantic Flux. I put out a new video every single day in my Check It Out series, where I check out a new, usually indie, usually roguelike game. That sounds like something you'd like to see more of. I'd be happy to have you subscribed. Thank you very much for your time. I truly do appreciate it, and I hope I see you in the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.